morning. It's really early in the morning. We'll be working on the cabin today once again and get some of the finishing touches on the bathroom and the kitchen. So I'm excited for that. It's getting to the point with these cabins renting where every trip I come here we have to do some maintenance things. So we need some stuff from Menards and we need to refill propane from the tank. So I've got them loaded up here. This is 4:30 in the morning. I think that's Illinois time. So it's really about 5:30 in the morning here in Kentucky. I'm gonna run into town, hit Menards, get propane, a few other things, and get back before my dad and my uncle are up and ready to go, so that way they're not sitting around waiting for me. So let's get it going. All right, well, back from Menards, and Dad and I are working on the kitchen and the bathroom at the same time. We've already started filling the countertop up with junk. That's what they say. Any vertical, horizontal surface becomes a workbench. Anything's a hammer. We'll see. I'm gonna mount this up here. I think I'm gonna regret it because it's gonna turn the paper towel into a sponge on a humid day outside here, but we'll see how it goes. I can't find anything this morning. Goes over. I'm crawling onto the counter. I'll be unavailable for a few minutes until I forget something. What is appropriate height to like a lower cabinet? 18 is standard? Okay. Oh, perfect. Nailed it. Good enough, within tolerances. They're shelf brackets from Amazon. Nothing special. Dad's been working for, I don't know, 3 days straight on this Vanity here, if you can call it that. And I think we finally got it. All this plumbing is a little bit ridiculous here. So we got this little sink. It's about all you can fit in here. You got all this plumbing real tight and the supply lines. There's a shelf bracket under here holding the sink. It's a little weird. But I had a medicine cabinet I was gonna screw in here. We decided it was just too big. I was gonna go home and make a door for this medicine cabinet, Vanity, out of the medicine cabinet. This thing fits. And he kind of boxed it out so it fit on there. So I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. We're gonna try it right about like that. That's gonna be awesome. I'm even gonna reuse the old hinges because that's what I got. Get a couple trim screws in here. He had a lower bucket he was sitting on here. When I sat down on it, it bent my knee too far. Hold on, bit change. Okay. On this back side here where it's in the shower, we actually used here too. It's some of the vinyl flooring. Looks pretty good. And it'll be somewhat waterproof. Good thing it's dark in here. Can't see what we're doing. That ain't going nowhere. And then we'll put just like a little eye hook latch on there. That's gonna be awesome. Funny, we were trying to decide what to do. I was like, hey, I got a thing right here. And I did. All right, let's go find some screws that work with those hinges. wrong drawer front on. It looked right. No wonder the other one seems too big. I figure out why the other one looked so big. Other than taking this off and doing it over. My drawer front cut and glue full of sawdust. Enough for who it's for. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Appreciate having you around here. We got lots done this trip. It was a lot of fun. Really happy to have this time with my dad and my uncle. Hope we can do it again many more times. We'll be wrapping this one up the next time I'm here. I think I'll come back in a couple weeks and we'll paint touch up, hang some pictures clean, and then I'll be filming our complete build and we'll do a little tour of the cabin. Maybe one of this outdoor kitchen kind of as a separate ordeal. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, thanks for watching. Really do appreciate you guys like and subscribe and all the things that go with it. We're having a lot of fun here. We'll be full steam ahead in the bathhouse as soon as this one's done. A couple more after that, and you know, just kind of no end to the amount of things we got going on here. Anyways, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.